I wanna be drunk when I wake up, on the right side of the wrong bed, and never an excuse I made up. Tell you the truth, I hid what didn't kill me. It never made me stronger at all. Love will scar your makeup, and lipsticks to me, so now I maybe lean back there. I'm sat here, wishing I was sober. No, I'll never hold you like I used to.
Hi there guys, Survival in the Wild here, and today I'm going to do a review on slash unboxing. I already opened it though, so yeah. A review slash unboxing on the Highlanders camping kettle. The Logan there, like, the world without costing the earth. Here's some specs about it. Outdoors. Ideal for outdoors and indoors use. Easy to clean, non-rusting. Filter included. Captivity. Oh, I can't pronounce it. 960 milliliters. Dimensions 153 millimeters by 85 millimeters. Weight is 140 grams, and same on the other side. On the top, you just got the website. I'll put where I got it from, because I got it from bushctaft.co.uk. Amazing website. Good deal. So, well, that's the box. Now let's open the box. This is what it will come like, but of course I took the packaging out, so it will come with padding. Sorry, it's a bit tricky with one hand. Right. There we go. There we go. It's a compact little thing. It's amazing. It's a lock-in handle. So what I do, instead of forcing it up, I pinch the ends like that, and then let it go, and see how it locks. The handle will come all padded, don't worry. It's like a whistle kettle kind of thing. It's an amazing kettle. You can fit it in your pack. You don't have to like get a separate bag just for it. It's it's pretty much an usable space kettle, really, instead of them proper full-size kettles. So this is to filter what it's all about. So if you want to put your coffee or tea in there, you can, instead of getting it right in there. Or what I'll do is actually put the water, like you do, in there. Put like rice in there if I want to steam some rice or carrots or potatoes. And then I'll just put a lid on, put it over the campfire, and then sorted for dinner, really. A bushcraft dinner. It's pretty good. Well, really good anyway. You could actually, if you wanted to, start a little fire, then put that over, and then just like have it over like that. But I won't do that. I've got something else for that. But it's an amazing kettle. It's actually very light. It's about 4 eggs worth, just there. Probably even less. 440 grams. That is remarkable for the price, anyway. I got this for, I'm not quite sure. It's around about 13, 15. I'm not quite sure. There. So, it does actually say what it does on the box. It don't cost. The world don't have to cost that much. Look, that cost me about 13, 15 pound, and the full size ones you can get about 30 pound. Ridiculous, really. But this is amazing. I really think you should actually go out and get one. So, that is a review on the Highlanders camper kettle. The world without costing the earth.